In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change playback speed on YouTube Mobile, a handy feature that allows you to speed up or slow down videos to suit your viewing preferences. Whether you're trying to breeze through an educational video or need to slow down a tutorial to grasp every detail, adjusting playback speed is a simple process that enhances your YouTube experience. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the YouTube app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, you can download it from the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android. Once you've opened the app and signed into your account, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the video you want to watch. Hit search, and when the results appear, select the video from the list by tapping on its thumbnail. Now that your video is playing, look towards the middle of your screen. You should see it with options overlaid along the bottom, such as the thumbs up and down for liking or disliking and a description of the video. Here, pause the video first to make selecting other options easier. You'll now want to tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the video player. This icon represents the settings menu and is essential for the next step. Tapping on those three dots will open a menu with several options. Look for and tap on the playback speed option from this menu. Once you've selected it, you'll see a range of speed options appear. Each speed is represented as a decimal. For instance, if you want the video to play faster, you can choose speeds like 1.25x, 1.5x, or 2x, which will double the speed of the video. If you want the video to play slower, you can choose speeds like 0.25x, 0.5x, or 0.75x, depending on your preference. Once you've made your selection, just tap on the speed you want, and you'll be taken back to the video. The playback speed will adjust automatically to the new setting you chose. You can hit the play button, and you'll notice the video is now playing at your selected speed. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the playback speed of a YouTube video on mobile. It's a small but powerful tool that can dramatically improve how you consume content. Whether you're speeding up through a vlog or slow motioning through a complex process, customizing video speed is all about tailoring your viewing experience to exactly what you need. Remember, you can always go back and adjust these settings as many times as you want for different videos and different scenarios. Thanks for watching, and now you're equipped to take full control of your YouTube viewing pace with ease. Enjoy your videos at just the right speed for you.